Okay, question number 5. A student walks at a constant speed for a distance of 50 meters in a time of 40 seconds. 50 meters, 40 seconds. Distance S1 is given, time T1 is given. Okay, the student rests for a time of 10 seconds. Okay, so 40 and then 10, T2 is here, and walks back to the starting point at the constant speed of in a time of 30 seconds. So T3 is also given. So you have T1, T2, T3. Distances are also given, S1 and S2, and one of the distance is 0 because it doesn't walk. Okay. Now, what is the distance time graph for the motion of the student? Now, you see here distance is increasing, taking rest over here, distance decreasing, which is impossible. Distance cannot decrease. Okay, first thing. And here you see distance increasing, taking rest, then again distance is decreasing. This could be possible. Let me look at the other two graphs also. Now, here, this one for the same reason, the distance is decreasing here. This part is not possible, wrong. Now, here this is also possible. Now, we need to identify which is the correct one here, right? So, now how do we do it is a question. So, let us look at the data and then we go further. Now, and then walks back to starting point. Starting point, what do you mean by starting point? It has traveled, it started 50 meters more. Okay, for the first time 40 seconds he walks, 40 seconds. Now, you see here he walks only until 30 seconds. So, therefore, this is also incorrect. If 3 options are incorrect, 4th one should be correct. So, D should be the right answer, but if you want you can verify. See, this is 40 here. Okay, so here he says rightly, and he stays for rest for 10 seconds, and after 30 seconds he again from 50, see this is my 50 to 80, right? So here it is 30, here it is 40, and here it is 10. So which goes hand in hand with the data that we have. See, 40, 10, 30, right? So this is how you can verify it. Thank you.